You guys, can I even tell you how excited I am? I just need to take a minute. So first up, I want to say welcome. Anybody who's new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Anybody that has been returning, thank you so much for the support. And if you guys like this video, I ask you to kindly just hit that subscribe button. It really helps out our channel. We're really trying to build a bigger community. Guys, we do a lot of funky little crafts and all kinds of DIYs. But with that being said, I don't know if you guys have seen these. They're called felting projects. They're adorable. Now, I have never, not once, ever have made these things. But I've been watching like a bunch of tutorials and stuff, and let me just tell you, like I'm afraid because I feel like I'm never gonna get anything done. If they're as satisfying to make as they are to watch being made, yeah, then look out, people. Because sorry, Lisa, do you want to come out tonight? No, I'm busy today. Felting. Anyways, so that's what I'm doing today. I actually just needed a day to just craft and to just kind of do something I wanted to do and just relax and listen to music and kind of zone out. That's how I kind of get my creativity spark to go.
I like sparks.
Because then I don't say anything. I put my earbuds in and I just sit there. With that being said, I'm really excited to start this, so let's do it. Woohoo! Go get more coffee. Excuse me, right back. Stop it. This was on the ground and I thought it was a mouse. I had to get food too, because I'm telling you, once I get started, I won't want to stop. I know it for a fact. I can tell you that for free. Anyways, I bought a kit and there's no patterns. The colors are a little more vibrant on camera, which is weird. I saw it online and I had to have it. So the kit was, I think it was $25. I'll get the exact price for that. When I edit this, I'll put it on the screen. I can't. I need to make something.
Okay, so now that you've seen all the wool, let me show you what else comes in the kit.
Get a load of these little guys. Little sheets for my fingers, because this little thing is pretty much a lethal weapon. You put the little wood piece together like this, and then you put it in here.
I'm going to use this towel because I thought a chunk of foam came with it, like the real thick, dense stuff, but not to worry. I just didn't want to break the needle in case it popped through and hit the desk.
Okay, now that you've seen the kit and what comes in it, I was trying to rack my brain because I know a lot of them, ew, that's so weird to say. Anyways, I know that a lot of them use like a wire form first, but I didn't really want it that big. I only want a little tiny thing and like a little squishy little love. So like I had, hold on one second. Now a lot of the videos that I've seen, they start with quite a bit. So like if they want to make like a squirrel, but if they want to make those, they start with like a wire form, and I just didn't have the wire, and I just wanted to dig in, and I only wanted it like small and squishy, and I didn't feel like I needed a wire form because there wasn't really any like limbs or like a neck or anything. Do you know what I mean? I just wanted a little compact thing. A lot of the times they use like a bunch of this stuff. Like instead of getting little tiny sample packs like this, they come in like big, huge, like big bundles, which I might get to that point, but I just wanted a little project. So this is essentially what, on a much bigger scale, what I want as a base. So like something that's like squishy, that the needle when you poke it in will stick into it and like compact it down. You'll understand when you see this video get moving here. So what I've decided to do is, see these pom-poms that I'm using? I decided that I needed some kind of a base. Now I just got these pom-poms from the dollar store. They were ideal. Like they were perfect because they were squishy enough to mold with the needle, but also like compact enough that when you smush it right down and compact it down, it gives you a good little base. So I was pretty impressed with myself thinking about pom-poms.
All right, so I just wanted to see what I was working with. Now, each package has quite a bit in it. I was pretty surprised. So I'm just kind of separating it all and kind of picking it apart and kind of wrapping my head around how am I going to start this thing? All right, so I'm just gonna lay it on top here and start poking away like a crazy woman. Oh my God, I forgot my finger sheaths. I would definitely not want this needle poking into my finger, so let's carry on. This feels like chaos. Okay, I've essentially am making a potato, it looks like. Oh, just trust the process, Lisa. Trust the process. So now this little guy has ears, so I'm trying to figure out, I guess if I got some extra stuff here. Okay, let me just see if this will work. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a bunch of voiceovers because all it is me poking this heck out of this little thing. And Mark's sitting over there working, and I didn't want to tell him what I was making for him, but I will insert a picture of what I'm making here. Oh, you guys, it's so cute. It's an Ewok. Oh, I can't. Mark is such a huge Star Wars fan that I thought, you know what, I just saw this one and it looked pretty basic, like basic enough for a starter project. So I'm doing it. I am doing it. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't seen the Disney video that we have out, Mark was a big child. You guys have to go see it. It was our best day ever. Well, my best day watching him and his best day checking everything out. It was awesome, you guys. I'll link it below so you can check it out. But oh, what a day. What a day. Anyway, so back to the Ewok. I'm doing the same kind of thing here. I'm just kind of building up a base for the little chubby arms and the little chubby legs and his little ears and face. But you'll see here, I am totally winging it. I'm just jabbing it in, hoping for the best. All right, so looking at the picture here, it's not one solid color. He's got a bit of gray and white on him. So let me do this. Well, hopefully.
Adorable.
Now, again, when you looked at the picture, there's that red little cape thing that he has on. So I am just doing his body and anything that's exposed and not underneath the cape with that little bit of white on it. I wanted to show you how slow I was going before I put it into fast forward mode. I just kind of place it into place and then get those little sheaths on my fingers and then go to town. But like it's really, really slow first because I don't want to poke myself.
Mark, don't be nosy.
Nosy Parker.
I'm obsessed. Look at how cute that little guy is. Look at it. Look at it. I gotta continue. I'm so excited. You guys still with me? I hope so, because I am coming to the end. Well, very close to the end. Now it's the detail work, now that I've built up the body. So all around his little scarf that's covering his head, I'm gonna call it a scarf. I don't even know what you call it. Sorry if I don't know the Star Wars terms. But I'm going to go very slowly. So when you see it fast forwarded, please note that it's very slow, because I sometimes don't have my little sheets on my fingers. So yeah, I just wanted to clarify that. But let's continue because it's coming along so cute. So cute. Ah, you guys, this craft has been so nice, so relaxing, just chill. And I'm just kind of thinking through the process again with no pattern. I'm sure there's patterns to be had, which I never even thought. I just wanted to get going on it because that's how I work.
For around his little hood, I kind of rolled up the wool and kind of pushed it in gently around his face. It's the only way I could think to do it.
I'm going to attempt the face. Wish me luck, because I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna fake it. I figure if I make the whole thing white, then I can fill in this part and this part and this part. I can't wait to make more. Seriously, this was a lot of fun. This took me a couple hours. So exciting. Okay, let me show you what I'm doing.
Now I feel like this is where it's going to get tricky without making it look creepy. I want to make it look cute. I hope you guys are still with me. I am almost done, I promise. It's getting to the nitty gritty and I just want to get this face right. So have a little watch. Almost done. I told you, almost done. So I started nail polishing these little gems here and I realized that they're a little bit too big. So I think I have the perfect solution. I found some of these little pearls. They're almost like a half pearl and they're just that much smaller to make the eyes not so bulgy. Now they are actually sticky on the back, but I just decided to bust out this tacky glue because I think it's supposed to be for fabric, so it actually worked out perfectly. All right, just one last step. I need to put like a little, I don't know if it's a spear or a little club, whatever it is in the picture there, I'll show you again. I want to make that somehow, and I'm not sure how, but I'm going to dig through my little stash here of flowers and sticks and stuff and see if I can find something without having to brave the winter outside and cut down part of a tree. I think this is going to be perfect. Let's try this. I just got to pull it apart a little bit and then paint it brown, I guess. Oh, that's sticky.
Is this not the cutest little thing you've ever seen in your live long life? Look at him! It's such a rewarding little craft. It's such a stupid little thing, but I'm addicted. I'm addicted, and I'm already starting a second one. Yeah, guys, let's see what Mark thinks. Hold on one second here. Let me see what he thinks. Hold on.
Put your hand out. Okay.
Ah!
Isn't it the cutest?
That's hilarious. That's very accurate too.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thanks.
Wow, that is adorable.
Now you have a friend at work. Well, you guys, I guess we'll see you in the next video. I don't know, if you like this video, let me know in the comment section below. If you didn't, keep your comments to yourself. Just kidding. I hope you liked it. I had so much fun making it, and I want to say thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.